Additionally, there was nothing mentioned about the policy interest rate, which we have been speaking a lot about in the media. And the government has yet to indicate what they can do to assist the banks or us in getting the banks to pass through that interest rate to borrowers. Also, in terms of access to financing, we would have gotten $2 billion for DBJ on lending, but we would have expected greater context because we don't know what was allocated before. And so if greater context was provided, we would know whether or not there was increased allocation to MSMEs. Now, yes, that funding is there, but guess what? It has always been there. The problem is not that the funding is available. What the problem is, it's not accessible. And that is a concern that we have been communicating, that it is not accessible.